In this video, we are going to learn multiple if-else. Write a Java program to find greatest of three numbers. Here we have import statement, import java.util.scanner. We are using scanner object in our class, hence we need to import scanner class. Scanner class is located inside util package and util package is located inside Java package. We need to write fully qualified class name, that is java.util.scanner. Import keyword tells the compiler the location of a specified class. We have defined a class named greatest. We have defined the main method from where the execution of the program will start. Now the first statement is variable declaration. We have declared three variables x, y, z of type integer. So as soon as the interpreter reads the statement, memory for declared variables is allocated in the stacked memory area. Data type int takes 4 bytes of memory. Hence 4 bytes of memory will be reserved for each variable. Memory will be reserved for variable x, for variable y and for variable z. Yet we have not assigned any data to it. We are finding greatest of three numbers. Hence we need three variables to store those three numbers. Now the next statement is we are creating object of type scanner. Why do we need this object? Java has provided scanner class to accept data from the user. Hence we need to create an object of scanner class so that we can accept data from the user. So the statement scanner s will create a reference variable s on stacked memory area. So reference variable s is created on the stacked memory area and new keyword allocates memory to the object. An object is created on the heap memory area. Address of the object is stored inside reference variable s, and now reference variable s is pointing towards the object residing on the heap. If you look at the object scanner, it is accepting an argument system.in. System.in represents the standard input string. Hence, this object of scanner class connects to the keyboard. Our standard input string is the keyboard. Next statement is system.out.println. Println method prints the text to the output screen. Hence, enter the first number will be printed to the output screen. We need to write this because user should understand what is it supposed to do. So when the user reads enter the first number, he will enter the first number. The next statement is x equal to s.nextInt. NextInt is the method that reads the integer data entered by the user. This method belongs to scanner class. Hence we need to write s.scanner because s is the object of scanner class. Suppose user enters number 25. We have written x equal to s.nextInt. The number entered by the user is stored in the variable x. Hence over here inside the memory, value 25 in the memory space reserved for variable x. Next statement is again SOP. Enter the second number is printed to the output screen so that the user will understand that he has to enter the second number. S.nextInt will again read the integer input entered by the user. So suppose user enters number 45, value 45 will be stored inside variable y. So over here y will have value 45. Next statement is system.out.println. Enter the third number. So this will be printed to the output screen. Suppose user enters number 85. 85 will be stored inside variable z. Hence over here 85 will be stored inside the memory space reserved for variable z. In the previous video we have learned if block and if-else block. Here we have multiple if-else blocks. This is if condition, this is else if condition, and we have else block. So when if condition is false, control goes to the else if block, and when else if is false, control goes to else block. Now when the interpreter will read this if condition, look at this condition. Here inside the parenthesis, we are checking out two conditions, x greater than y and x greater than z. See, only if x is greater than y and z, it could be the largest number. Hence we need to check both the conditions. And both the conditions should be true. So how do we check both the conditions? By using logical operator AND. This AND is a logical operator that will check whether both the conditions are true. Now one thing to keep in mind is when you use logical AND, the second condition is not evaluated if the first one is false. Suppose x greater than y is false, then further condition check is skipped and control comes out of the if block and goes to else if. So now let us check out our values. The value of x is 25 and value of y is 45. 25 greater than 45 is false. Hence, x greater than y will return false, and as we are using logical AND operator, the next condition x greater than z is not checked. This is skipped. So when the first condition is false, control will come out of if block and go to else if block. So from here, control will go to else if block. Else if the condition is y greater than z. Value of y is 45. Value of z is 85. Again the condition is false. 45 greater than 85 is false. Hence, control will not go inside else if block. It will come out of else if block and go to else block. And else block will execute. What are we doing inside else block? We are printing the largest number is z, that is 85. So this will be my output. Largest number is 85. Now suppose the user enters first value as 20, second value 95 and third value 45. In this case, value of x is 20, value of y is 95. Again 20 greater than 95 is false. Hence control will go to else if block and we are checking out else if value of y is 95, value of z is 45. 95 greater than 45 is true, and when the condition is true, the block of code is executed. Hence the control will go inside else if block and this statement will execute. System.out.println largest number is y, that is 95. So this will be my output. Largest number is 95. Suppose user enters first value 99, second value 25 and third value 45. Now when the if condition is checked, value of x is 99, value of y is 25, 99 greater than 25, this condition is true. So when first condition is true, logical AND operator checks for the second condition. Value of x is 99 and value of z is 45. 99 greater than 45, even this condition is true. So when you are using AND operator and both the conditions are true, the whole equation returns true. Now the control of the program will come inside if block and this statement will execute. So the output will be largest number is 99. So this is how we have checked out multiple conditions using multiple if else.